Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. Yeah, it's been a while, but you know how it is now. The grind continues. So I found this sniper entry here and I just felt like I should share with you guys. So here on 75 1S, I started from the D1. As you all know, I like to start my analysis from the higher time frame. So and you know I'm a trend line trader. Shout out to all trend line trader out there. So yes, I started drawing the trend line from the top there down here, and then you can see the bottom trend line from that side. And moving on, you know how the trend line goes now. Wherever I stop, I continue. So I was just trying to adjust my trend line here. I was just trying to adjust it. So there won't be any intersection. The trend line shouldn't be intersecting the candles. Just it can intersect the week. But when it intersects the week on the bigger time frame and you go to the smaller time frame, it means it is intersecting a candle. So I always like to put it at the tip, at the tip. And once you start treating your trend line as zones, sorry about that. Once you start treating your trend lines as zones, you understand better what trend line is. I will make a more explanatory video very soon. So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So after drawing my trend lines from the D1 to the H4, now I go to the 1 hour and I notice something. Price was coming down, and then it looks like price is what is going up. This simply means that we're no longer selling. Are you getting me? We're no longer selling. So I tried to draw my trend line just to show that price did break to the upside, mean the retest, and now it is moving. One movement, guys, movement. So you know how price is now. You can't just enter a buy that way. You have to confirm where the buy is coming from. Are you getting me? You have to confirm where to enter the buy. So that's what I was trying to look at here. And see me zooming in and zooming out. I was trying to see particularly what the fuck, sorry about that, what the hell the market was doing. So later on, I noticed that there was a consolidation down there. You can see when price striped to the downside there was a consolidation there. You can see that bounce, 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 bounce. Exactly. At that point, you can see those bounce, bounce, bounce. And what happened there? If you look close, the price broke to the upside and what retested that zone. Sure you get, then it moved. So if I was in the market at that time, I would have waited for that retest and then buy. Everything is still selling buy. Yeah, we are still in a buy. What was it called? We are still. You should still be looking for buys. Are you getting me? So that was what prompted me to start drawing my trend line from the down again, just to see where I'm going. So Trendline is a very good tool, honestly. A big shout out to Tori Treats. I watched that video and it made me understand that when you use Trendline shouldn't be used for execution. It should be used as a tool. Should you understand? It is a very honestly Trendline. No, 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 no. It is super, super. I don't know the. I don't. Just give me the words down there in the comment section. Trendline is the best, honestly. Trendline is the best. So a big shout out to um sorry, the name just ran off my head now. It's a very like I just like the guy. I like Fix Mayor, yes, and Lucky FX, yeah, Lucky May. Big shout out to them. Those are the big boys in the industry. So yeah, I started drawing again. You know how it is now. Me, I like to draw trend lines. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. So I just started drawing my trend lines again. I just want to confirm that okay, this sale is done and we're in buy. And truly, the sale was done at this point. You can see it there. There was a retest. If you look closely, you can see it there. There was a break and a retest, and the price moved. And then you can see that there was this safety line. You guys need to watch my videos, and you will see what I'm talking about. The safety line. So, and whenever I'm drawing my trend line, I like it to be fresh. So that was just to confirm the break and retest I was referring to. Then it was just to confirm that that sale was done and the buy was made. So yeah, drawing this trend line means I'm putting because when price most people don't even understand that when price moves and stops moving, like sorry, when price moves like it is buying and then it sells, you see the moment the that place it stops buying is a support zone. I mean it's a resistance. Most people think resistance should have to be 10 4 or 3 or 2. Even one is okay to be a resistance. So I just marked it there, put that trend line just to indicate that that place was a resistance. Are you getting me? I've talked too much, don't mind me. So what I meant there was that it would be reasonable for us to wait for price to come to that trend line and then take a buy. But that's not enough reason to buy. So I like to look for confluences to the left. So looking at the left, I saw that price actually broke another what was it called? Resistance there. There was a resistance there where price just broke. And then it's coming, it is in that zone. Price is currently in that resistance zone. So I was trying to see. I was trying to see. So later I moved on and I saw that okay, since price just broke this resistance zone, how did price broke it? This was the low. You can see where I'm marking it. That's the low that made the high. That's the low that made the high that broke the resistance zone. Are you getting me? So after marking it, I just use my Fibonacci to see the 60, to see the normally I don't, it's not like I used the 61.8 alone. Sometimes I use 50. I just like to use the premium, are you getting me? The premium zone. I like to trade in the premium zone. I really don't like taking trades on the discount zone. I like to trade in the premium because it gives me more leverage. Honestly, I've done it many times and it has worked. So I believe it gives me more leverage. So what was I looking for when I went to the M1? I was looking for a place where I could buy like a demand zone or a rally based rally. So this place, it was a rally based rally I saw. You can see where I'm marking there. It's a rally based rally. What does that mean? Price was moving to the upside, did a little pause and then continued. So at that point, I knew that this was even tallying with the 61.8. Also, the trend line. Just imagine these are three different conferences, guy. Three different conference. So this was giving me more assurance that when if price gets to that point, it should react like it should buy. Are you getting me? So this was what gave me the confidence that okay, I will take the buy there, and then my SL will be where just below the 100%. You can see it there, just below the 100%. So that was how I took the trade, guys. I entered. Abi, what next? Once you believe in your strategy, just let it work for you. Once you find your entry, there is no need to be scared. There is no need to be scared. So I just put my buy limits there and then waited. Although this is a demo account I'm showing you, I did take the trade on my real account. But do you know the funny part is that don't let me say it. Don't let me say it, guys. I won't share that. But let me just show you this one and we'll round it up. Round it up. I really hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's very important, guys. That's the way you can jam me to give you more educative videos. Don't worry, more videos are still coming. More educative videos are still coming. I'm still going to. No, no, no. We are here for each other. Don't worry, don't worry. I actually tapped knowledge from everywhere. Say Jex, Forest Comrade. Honestly, a big shout out to all those people. They are, they are my. I see them as my guides, as my teachers. I tapped from Sages, I tapped from Forest Comrade, Tory Trades, everybody, Alex, Abby, Jeffrey Benz. Like I just kept. But thank God, I finally realized that okay, this is what everybody is trying to say. Then I put it to my own language, and then I'm using it now on the chat. And honestly, it's working. I thank God for that. I thank God for that. So now I'm just teaching you and letting you know that oh, I've talked again. Don't mind me. So you can oh God of mercy. See if you just do well to just rewind, you will see that there was a very sharp entry there when the price got to that point I marked out. Price did move aggressively to the upside, but then what happened? Price moved back to the downside. That was the annoying part. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? And I waited for a bit, and you can see price was making a double bottom. I was like, oh, forget this one. We're taking to the upside. That was what gave me assurance on my real account. I started buying, buying, buying. You know how it is now. So just move. Let's go with Baba. Started buying, 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 buying. Bro, let me not say anything. Let's just continue watching. After some time again, I started seeing this pattern that this is not a diamond. We are taking this into the upside, guy. Nothing wants up. I was like, no, 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 nothing can happen. I'll take this one to the upside. So I left my positions. I just put my SLs. You know how it is now. Then I left it. But what did the price just chop my eye? Like it chopped me raw. It stole my SL. Like I was just looking at what the fuck is going on here. And I went to my real account. I was like, damn, price stole SL. Like what the fuck? But yeah, we are still good here on the demo. I feel like, well, let me just see what the trade wants to do. And that's something about trading. Once you lose, you try to see what happened. Sure you get. So that's how it is. So at this point now, I really don't know what happened, but I just know that if I had taken profit at the first move there, it would have been smart, knowing that that was a sniper zone. Sure you get. So I just left that. Well, this one is a gun trade. I just wanted to see how it will later react. So I started watching, and at the end, boom, we still blew this one too. We ate SL here, guy. We eat SL here, guys. It's not funny, oh, but well, this is what it is. So, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.